Tilcor's extensive range of profiles and colors meets the demand for the traditional look that American homeowners love. And our ceramic-coated natural stone granules are UV resistant, providing a sophisticated finish for the lifetime of the roof. For homeowners seeking a greater R-value performance, our Solar Skin underlay system means that the choice of colors and profiles is unlimited. Our Solar Skin underlay system has a Class A fire rating and a 5.5 R value regardless of roof color. It is radiant reflective and a moisture barrier synthetic underlayment all combined into one product. So Tilcor panels not only provide the attractive aesthetic that homeowners are after, but also the thermal performance they are demanding from their roofing materials. In summary, Tilcor stone-coated steel panels come in a wide range of profiles and colors that appeals to any aesthetic the homeowner is after. Our ceramic-coated natural stone panels will last for the lifetime of the roof. And Tilcor's Solar Skin underlay system means homeowners do not need to sacrifice the aesthetic they're after for greater R-value performance. Find out more about the benefits of stone-coated steel, and in particular, Tilcor stone-coated steel roofing in our next video.